Stargazer lilies are some of the best smelling flowers I know of, and you can see they're big, huge blooms in July, and they're hardy in zones 4 through 9, and they just really take a nice average soil, a lot of water, and then when they're done blooming, just cut the flower heads off to keep them from making seeds. That's why these here have multiplied so much, is because I just hit them every year when they're done blooming. That's all there is to it, to cut off the old flower heads. Here you can see some of the old flower heads that are trying to make seeds, and they're not viable anyway, so you want to cut those off so it makes the bulbs bigger.